मेरा है मैम।
Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते, ओम शांति। हाउ आर यू?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
आई एम आल्सो गुड। Sit in any comfortable position for start the class. Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for one time Om followed by opening mantra. Om. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। ओम। Join your both palms together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. So our yesterday topic was digestive system.
Yes, sir. Accessory organs we were doing.
Yeah, we completed our accessory organ till pancreas.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now write down the process of metabolism. The process of metabolism. metabolism. Metabolism is the actual utilization of the food. Metabolism is the actual utilization of the food by the body cells, by the body cells the process of metabolism is really a balancing act, is really a balancing act involving two kinds of activities, that go on at the same time, go on at the same time. First one, the building up of body tissues. The building up of body tissues. And second one, the breaking down of body tissues. The breaking down of body tissues. Next point, write down the effects of yogic practices. The effect of yogic practices on digestive system. The effects of yogic practices on digestive system. The first one is inverted pose. Inverted poses. INVERTED. Inverted poses. POSES. Inverted poses supplies the blood. Inverted poses supplies the blood to oral and pharyngeal cavity. To oral and pharyngeal cavities. Full stop. The tongue, 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 salivary glands, SALIVARY, salivary glands, and mucous membrane, MUCUS, mucous membrane, MEMBRANE, mucous membrane are bathed in fresh blood. Are bathed, BATHED, bathed in fresh blood. FRESH, fresh blood, BLWD. In inverted poses, the internal organs are massaged. In inverted poses, the internal organs are massaged. The nerves of the abdominal organs get relief from the erect posture. Get relief from the erect posture. And feel light and refreshed. And feel light and refreshed after inversion. After inversion. Second one is forward bend. FORWARD, forward bend, BENDS. Forward bends are smooth and soothing. Forward bends are smooth and soothing, 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 because of flexion, FLEXION, flexion of the abdominal organs, flexion of the abdominal organs, which is compressed and massaged, which is compressed and massaged. This improves their digestive, absorptive, ABSORPTIVE, absorptive and excretory function, EXCRETARY. These asanas help to massage the colon. These asanas helps to massage the colon, COLON, so that properly elimination of waste matters, takes place. The third type asanas are seated asanas. Seated asanas. SEATED, seated asanas. Supta Virasana and other seated asanas gives relief to patients, suffering from dyspepsia, dyspepsia, and peptic disorders, PEPTIC, dyspepsia and peptic disorder. In Baddha Padmasana and other postures, where the pressure of the heels, heels is on the nerve plexus, nerves, nerve plexus, PLEXUSES, nerves plexus. The function of abdominal organs are improved. The function of abdominal organs are improved. In seated postures, the abdominal organs are contracted. In seated postures, the abdominal organs are contracted and thus the function better, and thus the function better due to the massage given to them, and thus the function better due to the massage, MASSAGE, massage given to them. Next one is twisting posture. Twisting posture. TWISTING. Twisting postures. POSTURES. Twisting postures improve blood circulation. Twisting postures improve blood circulation in the pelvic and abdominal organs. In pelvic and abdominal organs by alternately squeezing and wrenching them. By alternately, ALTERNATELY, squeezing, SQUEEZING, squeezing and wrenching, RINSING, wrenching them. While one side of the abdominal organs, are squeezed, the other side is wrenched. The other side is wrenched. Stomach disorders like dyspepsia, stomach disorders
The
like,
voice is breaking.
voice is breaking. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Now voice is clear?
Yes, sir. So, sir, I heard till abdominal organ, while one side of the abdominal organs are squeezed, the other side.
The other side is wrenched. Other side is wrenched. RINSED. Okay. Stomach disorders like dyspepsia. Stomach disorders like dyspepsia. 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 And constipation. 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 Dyspepsia is the disorder when the food not getting digest. Dyspepsia and constipation are relieved. RELIEVED. Stomach disorders like dyspepsia and constipation are relieved. The stomach ileum, 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 and colon, colon, are massaged and improves digestion One of the best effects of asanas is that of twisting poses on the gastrointestinal tract. One of the best effects of asanas is that of the twisting poses on the gastrointestinal tract. GASTRO, gastrointestinal, INTESTINAL, gastrointestinal tract. The gallbladder is squeezed. The gallbladder is squeezed thus ensuring better fat digestion. Next asanas are back bends. BACK, back, BENDS, back bends. Back bends reduces excess hunger. Back bends reduces excess hunger, HUNGER, excess hunger. The liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. The liver, gallbladder, and pancreas get a better supply of blood. So that digestion and absorption, 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 are maintained. Digestion and absorption are maintained. The last point is the effect of Noli. The effect, EFFECT, effect of NAULI, Noli. Noli is an excellent Kriya. Noli is an excellent Kriya, KRIYA, for the digestive organs. It maintains the optimum tone. Of the abdominal muscles.
Sir, it maintains the optimum
tone, TONE, tone.
Okay.
of the abdominal muscles, optimum tone of the abdominal muscles by their repeated contraction and relaxation. By their repeated REPEATED, repeated contraction, 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 and relaxation, RELAXATION, relaxation. Okay, so Nauli is the excellent kriya. You know Nauli? Don't know? The rotation of abdomen. Rotation of abdomen. Exhale the air. Exhale the air through mouth. Adopt Uddiyaan Bandh. Suck your belly in and release Uddiyaan Bandh. Don't release your breath. Don't release your breath with holded breath. Rotate the abdomen.
Okay.
Towards clockwise and again anti-clockwise. That is Nauli. You seen Baba Ramdev ever on?
Yes, on the TV. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I have seen.
That is Nauli Kriya.
Okay.
Everybody can't do initially, but after practicing through Agni Sar Kriya, it will happen easily. Agni Sar Kriya is the same like Nauli, but not rotation. That is flapping of abdomen, flapping of abdomen in and out. That is Agni Sar Kriya. That is also very, very effective in digestion. And if anybody practicing Nauli, nothing is required to do for digestion.
Sir, I'll see the videos of
Okay.
Baba Ramdev.
Yeah. Agni Sar Kriya and Nauli, both are very, very effective. Any question?
No,
So
sir.
we completed digestive system.
Okay.
What is time? Yeah, 9:04. So now we start other topic. We start Kundalini Shakti. Write down Kundalini Shakti. Kundalini Shakti, importance and function. Importance, IMPORTANCE. Importance and function, FUNCTION. Write down the definition of Kundalini Shakti. What is Kundalini Shakti? Kundalini Shakti, which is considered the invincible power. Kundalini Shakti, which is considered, CONSIDERED, considered the invincible power, POWER, lies at the base of spine. Lies at the base of spine, SPINE. It is a Sanskrit term. It is a Sanskrit term meaning coiled power, COILED, coiled power, POWER, and refers to.
Sorry, sir. Sir, meaning which power? What? Coil.
Coiled power, COILED, coiled power, coil type, coiled power, and refers to the sleeping serpent, and refers to the sleeping serpent. SLEEPING SERPANT, sleeping serpent. That is serpent Ananta. That is serpent Ananta, ANANTA. Who is serpent Ananta? You know Sheshnag?
So serpent I know, but serpent Ananta I don't know.
Serpent Ananta is Sheshnag. Sheshnag, you know Sheshnag?
Nag, yes. All of this I've seen and heard in the TV only.
Sheshnag, the bed of Lord Vishnu.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So they use this language in mythological serials.
Yeah.
Whenever I see.
That Sheshnag is serpent Ananta. In English, his name is serpent Anant.
Serpent Anant. Okay.
Yeah. Because he has infinite power. So same Kundalini also have same power, the power of serpent Ananta. And it is coiled, 3.5. Kundalini have 3.5 coil. It is present in the shape of 3.5 coil at the base of his spine. And the serpent Ananta also have 3.5 coil as a bed of Lord Vishnu. So the meaning of Kundalini is coiled power and refers the sleeping serpent, which upon awakening, write down, which upon awakening AWAKENING, awakening, results in self-awareness, results in self-awareness and spiritual growth, and spiritual growth. Now write down the importance of Kundalini Shakti. Importance, IMPORTANCE, importance of Kundalini Shakti. Kundalini Shakti is the feminine power. Kundalini Shakti is the feminine power that lies coiled at the base of spine. That lies coiled, COILED, coiled at the base of spine, SPINE. On awakening, AWAKENING, it travels up the spine to the Sahasrar, SAHASRARA, Sahasrar, to unite with Lord Shiva, that is masculine power. Kundalini Shakti is the feminine power that lies coiled at the base of spine. On awakening, it travels up the spine to the Sahasrar to unite with Lord Shiva, that is masculine power, masculine. MASCULINE, masculine power It is the supreme power. It is the supreme power. Means when they meet together, they meet together, it becomes supreme power. The Kundalini Shakti, when Kundalini Shakti meet to Lord Shiva, means masculine power, it becomes supreme power that guides one on his or her chosen path. On his or her chosen path. And now write down the function of Kundalini Shakti. It boosts performance of chakras. BOOSTS. It boosts performance of chakras. 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 And balances them. BALANCES. Balances them. And connects with the universal consciousness. And connects with the universal consciousness. Next function, it increases sense of perception. It increases sense of perception. PERCEPTION.
Sir, it increases?
It increases sense. 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 Sense of perception.
Okay.
PERCEPTION.
Done.
And promotes psychic abilities. And promotes PROMOTES. Promotes psychic. 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 Psychic ability. ABILITIES. It enhances spiritual experiences. It enhances spiritual experiences. Spiritual. SPIRITUAL. Spiritual experiences. EXPERIENCES. And improves intelligence. And improves intelligence. INTELLIGENCE. It promotes sense of calm. It promotes sense of calm. Sense of calm. SENSE. Sense of calm. It boosts BOOSTS cardiovascular and respiratory function. Cardiovascular. CARDIOVASCULAR. Cardiovascular and respiratory function. Means it boosts circulatory and respiratory function. Clear? So this is all about the importance and function of Kundalini Shakti and what is Kundalini Shakti. Any question? So sit in any comfortable position for closing the session.
Yes, sir.
Spine straight, eyes closed, adopt chin mudra. Inhale deeply for one time Om, followed by closing mantra. Om. पूर्णमदं पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओ शांति शांति शांति। Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for joining the class.
Thank you, sir.
We will meet again tomorrow, last
Yes.
session.
Yes, sir.
Okay.